What is going on, Bread Gang? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today we are fixing the truck to some of your standards. I am going to fix the truck today. Hold on, let me make sure. Oh, we're looking good. Hey, we're fixing the truck today, but first, huge shout out to my guys over at Craft Nissan. I always take my truck to the Nissan dealership. That's where my mom bought her car at. Awesome customer service up there. I know a lot of you aren't from Tallahassee, but my guy Moses, yes, his name is Moses, he's an awesome guy. Hopefully you're watching this. Him and the I believe his name is Brandon, that works on my truck. If I got that wrong, I'm sorry. They do awesome work for me. They were doing my oil change the other day, and they had a special subscriber, a very beautiful subscriber of mine, put a secret surprise on my truck that I did not know about, and it's this little 50 cal bullet antenna. So thank you so much for making that possible. I love this. Nice little subtle touch to the truck. It looks awesome. Thank you so much. He said they were going to start watching the video, so this is your test. Huge shout out to Moses and the guy that works on my truck over at the Craft Nissan, the dealership here in Tallahassee. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Y'all do awesome work, and I will be back again soon, of course. But to get into the main part of the video, I'm not going to take forever doing this because it's a good 45-hour process. I'm going to cut it up a little bit, but we are fixing the truck today. And if you want to find out what exactly I'm fixing, get through the intro and find out. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, baby! Look cool. I have enlisted the help of one and only, do you want to be in the video today? One and only Dad, the man, the myth, the legend. I won't make him in the video a bunch, but he's gonna be here helping me. I know you guys think he's funny sometimes, so I'm working on mine today. This is what we're doing. We're putting some blocks back in the back of the truck. Some of you aren't gonna like it, most of you are gonna like it, it doesn't matter. I'm completely tired of the squat, so I'm ready to get rid of it. I'm tired of bottoming out on stuff back here, and it's time to go. I have had my fun with it, and we're gonna do something with his bug over here in between, so we're gonna be bouncing back and forth, but this shouldn't take too long. These are a 6-inch block. It was a 7-inch block. I like these because they're powder coated, so these aren't gonna rust like the other ones did. But for now, it's gonna work, and maybe it'll actually be level because previously it was a little bit taller in the back. So maybe this time it'll be truly level. And of course, when I redo the truck at some point, these will all get re-powder coated and stuff, so I'm not really worried about it. The just a piece of wood, maybe like a foot tall, maybe something that we use all the time. So the beauty of this is we don't even have to lift the wheels and tires up. That should work, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the screws off the bottom, take the U-bolts off, and then we're just gonna jack up the leaf springs, and we should be able to switch the blocks out, put the new U-bolts on top, bolt them back up, and we should be good to go. Now, in theory, of course, that's how it should go. Whether it's gonna go that way and just be smooth like that, I don't know. The one bad thing about this time around is the truck is so much lower, so getting underneath it is kind of a little more difficult to work with. Without further ado, let's jump into it and get to work. We're stopped right now.
Take a break. Hard work lots
We haven't even put the first block in, and he's taking a break.
You don't get to be this age and gray hair by rushing.
Come on.
Takes time. Hold on 1 second. God, Mr. Impatient. Take 3.
After a little fighting back and forth, we've got the first block in. Down here, we got to put the U-bolts in and stuff.
pardon the rusty exhaust, but we've got the first block in, and I think it's gonna be all right. If it's backwards or something, don't roast me in the comments. This is my first time doing it alone, but you know what the hell, roast me in the comments. I don't care. I'm actually doing something on my own for once. So, but get rid of that sticker. I'll get that off later. We gotta just get the U-bolts on and, you know, call it a day. I won't bore y'all with the other side, but first side's not going too bad.
After a long fought battle, my arms are going to be huge after this because of the air gun that we have. I guess when you hit a certain torque, foot-pounds of torque, it, you know, bottoms out and it cuts off. So it's going to be hard for us to finish up with the gun. So the final last little bit, we're going to have to, you know, hammer out with a wrench. So my arms are going to be huge after this. But we've got one side done. He's under there starting the other side. Hopefully you can hear me over that. We'll back up a little bit. This, if it sits like this, that's beautiful. It's just a hair taller in the front, and I think it looks beautiful. If this is how it sits, I will be completely and utterly just ecstatic about that because I think that looks beautiful. Really time to get rid of the squat, you know, go with a new look. The truck was really starting to feel small with the squat, and I didn't like that. So you've got the new block in the back. We still have some other little U-bolts to put on, but everything looks nice and clean now. Definitely a lot bigger on the front. This isn't the true height yet because the other side isn't done, but I think it looks awesome. I'm super happy with it. It's, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit tall in the front probably than the back. So a little baby squat, but you know, I'm not complaining at all. Since the air compressor's done, wheel lights probably won't be done by the time truck meet comes around, which is okay. I'm just gonna be, you know, super happy to meet you guys. The famous dad will probably swing by, so some of you will get to see him. He'll probably bring in the truck out. Maybe if that's done, he'll bring that out. But other than that, I mean, we're just gonna finish this up. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. You know, let's keep pushing forward. Let's keep having fun. Let's keep breaking the barrier on ways to get this bread. You wanna sign us out again this time? Or I can do it this time. You did it last time. You want me to do it this time? Y'all have a great night. Let's get this bread.